In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a new rainbow loom bracelet that I'm calling Over Easy. It's a fairly easy bracelet to make. If you can do a double cross fishtail, then you can definitely do this bracelet. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the loom set up in a staggered pattern so that the pins are not in line with one another and they make a V shape at the end. You can also do it with the loom set up in a rectangular pattern as well. So I'm going to be working with 4 pins, and I'm going to be using these 4 right here. They make a diamond shape, and if you have a rainbow loom, you can have your bracelet grow down through this open area. If you're working with another brand of loom that doesn't have this open area, what you're going to do is just pull your bracelet as it grows out through the front of your loom. So I'm going to start with blue, and I will start on the 4th pin up from the left side of the loom, and I'm going to place my band on this pin, and it's going to go up and diagonally to the right and twist. And then I want to push down, and then I'm going to cross back over it with green. And again, I want to twist. This is a longer stretch. And now I want to take my 3rd color, which is black, and what I'm going to do is place this band around all 4 of these pins. So it's going to just go encompass all 4 of these pins. So it sort of reminds me of a kite. And now what I want to do, when I have 2 layers on, I want to remove the bottom layer. So I'm just going to go to all 4 pins and just remove this bottom layer of bands. And then I'm going to push this down. And now I'm just going to go switch back to the other layer of colors. I'll be starting with blue on this pin. I'm always going to be keeping blue on top of blue and green on top of green. I'm going to cross back over it with the green, and there's no need to twist anymore. And then now that I have 2 layers on, I'm going to be removing the bottom layer once again. So it's going to be black this time from all 4 of the pins. And push this down. And now I'm going to go to black again, and this time it's going to stretch over all 4 pins at once. And then I want to remove that bottom layer, which I have my blue and green. Go to the other side and take those off as well. And then push this down. And now I'm going to be doing blue once again on this same pin. And then cross back over it with green. And now I'm going to be removing the bottom layer from all 4 pins. And push down. And now I'll switch to black, and it's going to go around all 4 pins at once again. And then I'm going to be removing the bottom layer. Just work my way around. And then push this down. And if your loom is closed at the bottom, what you want to do is pull the bracelet out through the front as it grows. And now it's back to blue. So I'm starting on the pin to the left, And then I'm going to cross it with green again. Remove that bottom black band. From all 4 pins. And now I'm going to be putting black around all 4 of the pins at once. And again, remove this bottom layer. And really that's all there is to it. It's very simple. And so I'm just going to continue in the same pattern. I will fast forward here. When you have your bracelet to the length that you'd like it and you're ready to take it off the loom, what you want to do is make sure that you've stopped where you have the 2 colors and the shape of an X as your last set of bands. You don't want to do it when you have the band that goes all the way around all of the pins. So when you have these 2 bands in the shape of an X, you want to take the bottom band off of the bottom left pin, get it on your hook and move it to the pin diagonally to the right, and take the band on the bottom right and move that up diagonally to the left. And now you should have 2 bands on each of these pins. So you're just going to take the bottom band and pull it over the top on both of these pins. And now you should have just 2 single bands left. So get one on your hook and then leave that on your hook. Grab the second band and now you can take it off of your loom. And then you want to take a clip. I have an S clip here. I'm just going to slide those 2 loose ends onto that clip. And then go to the other side. Grab a couple loose bands on the end here. And then just hook them through the other side of that clip. And then here is your bracelet. It's got blue on 2 of the sides and green on the other 2, with the black in the center. And here is another bracelet that I made using the same style, only this time instead of putting the 2 colors on each level, I used just 1 color to make the X. So I did like a solid red X and then a white to go around all the pins, and then 2 pink bands for the X and then a white to go around all of the pins. So those are the bracelets made using the Over Easy design. Please feel free to leave me comments on YouTube and Facebook or post your pictures to my Facebook page. I would love to see your designs. Thanks!